emergency declared by Srimati Indira Gandhi, Lokanayak Jayaprakash Narayana, right? Lokanayak Jayaprakash Narayana, and Acharya Kripalani, formed Janata Party by combining old Congress bracket lo Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, Morarji Desai, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy and Morarji Desai, comma Bharatiya Lok Dal, next Bharatiya Lok Dal, Chaudhary Sharan Singh, comma Socialist Party, Madhuli May and George Fernandez of Socialist Party. Next, Bharatiya Janasangh, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, comma Acharya Kripalani, formed into other full stop. Next, DMK and DMK, Dravid Munnedu Kazham by Karunanidhi, comma and Communist Party, Jyoti Basu, Shiromani Akalikar by the leader of Badal, Prakash Singh Badal, B.A.D.L. Badal, supported Janata Party from outside. Lokanayak Jayaprakash Narayana party form చేశాడు. DMK supported outside, supported from outside, supported Janata Party from outside. After the declaration of 1977, March 17 elections, Prime Minister, elections, Janata Party got won 342 seats out of 543. Including the defeat of the then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi and her son Sanjeev Gandhi at Raebareli and Amethi, Amethi, Raebareli. In AP and Karnataka, but in AP and Karnataka, Congress won 70 seats. 70. 28 plus 42. How much? 70 seats. Out of which Only one Neelam Sanjay Reddy, one in the Nandyala Parliament constituency. Nandyala Parliament constituency. Later he became the President of India. By complete majority of Janata Party, they brought lot of reforms and control the commodities prices. Control the price of commodities. In 1977 June 25, demonetized 1,000 rupees big notice. 1977 June 25. By bringing lot of black money, from the black money holders. That is the golden period of Indian government policy. By bringing down corruption, high prices and inflation. Conclusion right. After 2.5 years, in the hands of Indira Gandhi and Sanjay Gandhi plotting. They transferred the mind of Chaudhary Charan Singh. Then there are so many squabbles and splittings in the Janata Party. By splitting the Janata Party, Charan Singh became a Prime Minister. Chaudhary Charan Singh became Prime Minister by throwing down Morarji Desai as Prime Minister. Later in 1980, again Srimati Indira Gandhi came into power. Next Punjab Administration. Next Punjab Administration. రాశారా కొత్తగా రాశారా? దిల్లీలో వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది? బ్లూ స్టార్ ఆపరేషన్ ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది? 1984 June